guys? As you can see, I have this shirt on my head right now, and I just washed my hair. My hair is still wet. So yeah, that's why I have this on my head. But anyways, I have a super duper short haul for y'all. I only have one item in here. I just wanted to, you know, open it up on camera. So I just like to do that. I like to, you know, do little unboxing videos. Have my handy dandy box opener here, and let's open it up. By the way, I got this with my rewards. I had a free rewards, and yeah, I just wanted to use it up. And I got one of the wellness items. I've never tried their wellness items yet, so this is the perfect opportunity to do so. Okay, let's see, I opened it up. One little thing in here. This is the Pomegranate Extract with vitamin E, Revitalizing Cleansing Clay Detox Mask. You guys, I'm so excited to use this. This was $16.50, by the way, for how many ounces? 6.5 ounces. I've never tried Bath and Body Works like facial stuff before, so I'm like super excited to try this. I want to smell it though, because oh, I can smell it already. You guys, I'm like so into like skincare stuff and like face masks and, you know, looking clean. Let's see. This looks like a hair mask. This looks like a hair mask that I've used before, but y'all, like the scent, it's not too strong, which is pretty good. I like that it's not strong, and the color of it, it just looks like natural to me, like natural clay. I kind of want to use this today. I might actually use this today and then be back with you guys with the review to share how it helps my skin, or what it does for my skin. But yeah, you guys, I'm super excited to try this. First time ever trying their wellness stuff. I wanted to get like their scrubs, but I'm like, let me try something different for a change, because I've never tried Bath and Body Works facial anything. So yeah, this is the pomegranate extract with vitamin E clay mask, detox clay mask. I want to try their lotions and stuff too, and their body washes from the wellness collection, just to see, like, because I like the way this smells. Like, it's not too much, like it smells natural. Yeah, I'm so excited. It says it's infused with pomegranate extract to revitalize skin, kaolin clay to detoxify skin, and vitamin E to nourish skin. So yeah, you guys, I'm going to do an update on this to let you guys know how I like it and what it did for my skin. If you hear stuff, my window is open and I'm kind of trying to talk low because somebody's right there and I don't know if they're gonna hear me. But anyways, you guys, this is gonna be the end of this video. Let me know if you've tried this. Yeah, but yeah, this is gonna be the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.